Good day to everyone listening to FS No Less Guru Signal again today, 24th of July 2026. We are going to give specifically update on gold, Bitcoin. What is going to be the highest probability today? That is to say, to trade by or selling order. Well, if you are following the FS No Less Guru Signal for the first time, yeah, we give daily market analysis on gold, Bitcoin, and a US dollar, euro, and pounds. What's going to be the highest probability for today? That you can trade and here $10, $20, $50 daily without even requesting money from anyone. So let's go. Let's go. Let's start from the gold. If you can see what's good so far on the gold, this is the gold, and this is the daily chart. And we can see here what we have here on this daily chart. We discovered that it's not such each word, each week. So we discovered for the past 3 weeks, to 4 weeks, gold have been moving downward movement at this level. Daily chart. Uh, Now, and still on the day, this movement, how we can see. What on 4 hours also follow. And you can see what is happening. So let's consider what is happening on 1 hour chart. Wow. The one on one chart saw that the gold is trying to pull up because it fell from yesterday. This is yesterday, the day before the day. This means that on the 3rd of the July, why this 22nd? This is today. So I try to pull it up. But we cannot have the buy order until we have number one. Beat this white trend line. Number two, it's not advisable to buy below the power fault point. So definitely you can see the Friday power fault point here, as you can see, is at 4076. So because we can have the highest buy probability today will be about this line, this 4077. So the highest probability on the go, not yet decide for the for any moment we have anything above the 4077 today, highest probability for the go today should be what? By order. At this moment, let's see the quarterly of the hour. Let's see the oh fantastic. Actually, we have here, but we will not be on by fantastic occur evidence by until we get to use a daily performance. So if you try to buy at this moment, once they have these points, definitely we need to move our stop loss to the entry level, otherwise we can have a scenario. So in this case, I will minimize by say instead of play like 3 or 4 as usual, I will say okay, this market now on gold is 448. Now, if it is 448, I will now say I will risk 448. I play my to be 4. My stop loss will be 4 48. Let me just raise 15 pips. That is 438, 433. We can say 4033 as a stop loss. Now, for my TP, the first TP about this and the second. So I will now say highest probability is by this. Now the second, I play the second part on the same. And I say okay, 40 33, and my TP will be exactly that 4077. Oh, sorry. And my TP will be 40 below 77, let's say 72. Because any movement that can get to the platform point, it can trace back. And once you break the platform, we get to be affected. So the highest probability that we can have from what we have on the daily or is a retracement, 4 hours about to go. 1 hour try to fill up our 1 hour's probability. So we release on this on scalping. So let's go on Bitcoin as well. So we can see Bitcoin. Let's apply FS Knowledge Guru tools to discover and today what is going on and what I'm going to do. Wow, fantastic. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 days ago, Bitcoin I tried to pull up, but due to this scenario that occur here, the high of this CCs are this one high and CCs, huh? CCs are the high probability here is CCs are 8, 9. So we have anything above 6, 8, 9, we can go today for the higher probability that is to buy. So in this case, let's see 1 hour, fantastic. If this cannot open above this trend line, that trend line, there's nothing like good enough for the Bitcoin for today. In this case, we check the quarter of the year and see what is happening currently. Wow. So effect of here, any moment we have here, we are going to say. So in this case, I will not have my pending order and say, okay, that is 6510. My probability for Bitcoin today is going to be the 6510, say 65100. And then my stop loss will be the highest of this specifically. The highest of this is 655. That is 65587. Now that's gonna be the sell stop. Fantastic. So if you can see, if you remove this line now, we are on what they call it. Let's apply FS loss. You can see we have pending order. So because it's depending whether because by the time we play this, then we below the platform ball and go higher. So the conclusion, the highest probability for the for the good we had in buy order of the scenario that cannot touch this. But note, if this market come back, break this, then we have the words. We can see we can have the word fantastic setting order. So this is the aim, what do you call it, and the weekly analysis on the gold and Bitcoin. Till we come back by the PM and give analysis on the Euro USD, GBP USD, JP1 and another. We say happy trading to you all from Exodus Gurus. We are lagging when it comes to American analysis, but therefore, if you want to learn more how to trade forex, Bitcoin good, without being paid about anybody, actually making money online. Follow Exodus Guru for more. We are leading other follow. Happy trading to you all from FS Noodles Guru Signal today 24/07 2025. While we are coming by the PM to give the result, be a market update. Happy trading to you all from FS Noodles Guru Signal. Bye for now. Share and follow for